Hello there. This is Teacher Mary Ann and welcome to my science class. Before we begin, I have 3 rules for you to follow. First rule is listen to teacher when she says something. Second, raise your hand if you want to share some ideas. Third one, have fun learning in my class. So question, are you now ready for our lesson today? Well, that's great. Let us start. So I have here something for you. Okay? Let me show you. This one. What do you think is inside in this trash bag? Yes, Joanna? A bicycle? Yes, Nilo? A motorcycle? What else? A basket? I have a clue for you. This is green, somewhat green, and it has different parts. Now let's find out if you got it right. All right, it's a plant. All right, so motorcycle also has many parts or different parts. However, motorcycle is not green. All right, Angie, you got it right. It is a plant. Okay, this plant is lady's finger plant. So today, children, our lesson is all about the different parts of a plant and their functions. And for your reward of your active participation in my discussions and in our lesson today, I'll be giving you stars. If you can get 5 stars, more than 5 stars, you will be given a prize that is something sweet. But if you can get less than 2 stars, well, you can earn a prize which is something sour. Okay, so keep earning stars for you to have prizes. So here are the different parts of this lady's finger plant. Wait, can you tell me what parts do you see? Yes? Nilo? Flowers. Oh, you see a flower over here. Yes, you are. Right, there is a flower. Okay, so I'll be posting this word here. Flowers. What else do you see? Leaves. Very good. What else? A fruit. That's right. Fruit. Okay. Fruit. What else? Roots. That's good. Roots. Okay. What else? How was this one, this part? Yes. A stem. Okay. So, what else? Okay, so there is more, but you cannot see it with your naked eyes because it is inside in this fruit. Okay, so the other part of a plant is seeds. Okay, can you say that again? Seeds. Okay. So these are the different parts of a plant. We have here flowers. Repeat after teacher. Flowers, leaves, seeds, fruit, roots, stem. Wonderful. So, who knows the function of roots, stem, the fruit, flower, leaves? Do you know their functions or their work? Okay, let's find out what are their functions. Roots, they absorb or suck up water from the soil. Not just water, but also the nutrients coming from the soil. And then the stem carries the water and the nutrients that the roots suck up. Then the stem will carry those food and nutrients or water throughout the entire plant. Then here comes the leaves. So the leaves make food for the plant. And leaves also help the plant breathe by letting the air in and letting the water out. So the process of making food for the plant is called photosynthesis. Okay? Yes, Joanna. How does a breathing happen in the leaf? Of course, you cannot see it in your naked eyes, but through microscope, okay, the leaves have tiny openings that are called stomata. Okay? They allow the air to in and let the water out. The process of letting the water out is transpiration. That is why sometimes you can see the leaves that there are water outside. There are moist. It's because they transpire. Okay? The water from the plant or out. So let's proceed to the flowers. Flowers help the plant make seeds so it can grow new plants. So they attract birds, bugs, and other pollinators to help with this. Then the fruits. The fruits protect the seeds inside. So these are the seeds of a lady's finger fruit. When these fruit ripen or dried up, we can plant the seeds inside. It will grow into new plant. And that's the function of the seeds. Now that you already know the different parts of a plant and their functions, so I hope you can help me with my problem. My problem is I cannot open the labels of this eggplant. And you can help me by doing this. I'll group you into two groups. On my right side, you will be group 1. On my left side, you will be group 2. Group 1, you name a part of a plant, and you group 2, you tell its function. So after you do that, I'll open the label. Is that easy for you? Then let's do it. Okay, roots. Very good. Ta-da! Okay. Stem. Yes. Stem. Fruit. Well done. Group 1 and group 2. Flower. Yes. Flower. Leaf. Very good. Leaves or leaf. Oh, it's already open. Thank you so much, group 1 and group 2. Well done. So I'll be giving you stars. This time, where are my stars? For you, group 1, and for you, group 2. Thank you so much for helping me unlock the label of this eggplant. So let us read. Root, stem, fruit, flower, and leaf. So This time, let us have another group activity. You will be enjoying this. This activity is called plant making collage. So, group 1, please stay on my right side, this space here. And for group 2, you stay on my left side. Okay? So I'll be giving you 5 minutes to do this plant making collage. And by the way, materials and instructions are here in the envelope. So feel free to read them, then ask questions if you have. Okay? So here, get your envelope. So now that you have your envelopes, your timer starts now. Good luck! Reminders in using scissors. Please be careful not to harm each other. Okay? Okay, you're doing great. Wow, you are done making your plant collage. This time, let us listen to your discussions and how did you come up with this output. And of course, you are going to tell the different parts of the plant and of course, their functions. Thank you very much, Group 1 and Group 2, for sharing your ideas about plant parts and their functions to the group. That was a very good job. And now you are going to answer this worksheet individually. So for test 1, you are going to label the parts of this plant. Then here you are going to match the plant parts and their functions. Of course, you are going to write only the letter of the correct answer on the space provided before each number. So please read carefully. Okay? So I'll be giving you 5 minutes only to answer your worksheet. After 5 minutes, pass all your paper. Now let me see if you really learned something from our lesson today. Tell me the name of the colored part of this plant. Okay? Ready? And go. How about this one? And this one? Nice. Finally. Wow, that was well done. You did a great job today, children. So for your homework, please bring a plant, any kind of plant. Each of you must bring one. Okay, we will have another exciting activity in our science class tomorrow. Thank you so much. Do not forget to claim your prizes here. Something sweet and something sour. And for your exit ticket, can you name this and tell me its function? Okay, you may now leave the classroom. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.